Are you tired living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to boost your income and take control of your financial future? Well, look no further, because I have compiled a list of the top 5 side hustles for 2023 that can help you earn up to $500 a day. But wait, before we dive in, let me tell you why targeting businesses is the way to go in 2023. Customers have limited funds to spend, and once they have reached their spending limit, they are unlikely to come back for more. However, businesses have a larger budget, and if you can provide enough value, they will keep coming back for more as they strive to grow. Anyway, let's get started with the first side hustle, copywriting. In today's digital age, companies are consistently on the lookout for specialists who can produce high-quality content for their blogs, social media posts, and websites. And the best part is, you don't need any fancy degrees to get started. With so many free courses available on platforms like YouTube and Skillshare, you can easily learn the basics and start building a portfolio. And then you can send it off to businesses to start copywriting for them and make a lot of money out of it. The next side hustle is video editing. As more and more businesses and creators shift their focus towards online content, the demand for video editors is only going to grow. If you have the skills, you can charge a good amount for your time and even work with big name companies. If you're just starting out and you don't have a strong portfolio yet, what you can do is offer to edit a video for a business or a creator you admire. And if they like your work, you can start asking for payments and building your client base from there. Just provide free value first and you'll get a lot of benefit in the long term. Moving on from video editors, short form video editing is also a skill that's picking up demand. With platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels taking the world by storm, businesses and creators are on the lookout for editors who can turn their long-form content into bite-sized clips that are easy to consume. And again, by creating free short-form videos for creators and businesses you admire and sending them over for them to look at, you can start building up a client base that way, because if they like them, they'll want you to do it more, and you can start negotiating pay, which you can charge quite a lot for because it is very high demand to get a good short form video editor at the moment. Another skill that I think is in high demand that a lot of people don't necessarily look at is thumbnail designers. YouTubers know that a thumbnail can make or break their video, and many of them don't have the time or skills to create their own effectively. So if you can create eye-catching thumbnails for them and get viewers to click on it, YouTubers will be happy to pay hand over fist for your services. And again, you can contact these creators and create 3 to 5 thumbnails for them to use on their videos for free. And then if they test them and it gets a good click-through rate and people enjoy the thumbnails, then they'll be more than happy to hire you to create all of their thumbnails. And because thumbnails are very in demand as well, you can charge so much money just for 30 to an hour of your time if you're really good at thumbnail design. And last but not least, we have the ultimate side hustle for you. Monetize your skills. Everybody has a skill they're good at, whether it's tutoring, bike repairs, or anything in between. Think about what you're good at and how you can turn that into a side hustle. You might be surprised at how many people are willing to pay for your service. And the great thing is, there is unlimited growth for your side hustle as long as you can find the right niche to target your services. And then you'll be doing what you love at the same time, so it's a win-win. But there you have it. Those are my top 5 side hustles for 2023. And remember, the key to success is to provide value to your clients and always be willing to learn and grow. With a little bit of hard work and determination, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business and take control of your financial future. But anyway, I've been Ben, also known as MX. Watch this video here if you like my content. And as always, have a great day.